Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can integrate a tool like Google search with Firebase AI logic in native Android application with Kotlin. So let's get started. Now why do you require tools like Google search? So what typically happens, like Firebase AI logic uses LLM models like Gemini underneath, but these LLM models are not frequently updated. So if there is some latest news which you want to access immediately, then tools like Google search would be really helpful without training the LLM models ourselves. So I'll quickly show you what I was doing. So I'll explain you the code later on, but here I am asking the LLM model like what is the latest on Trump's tariffs on India. So this tariffs on India by Donald Trump changes frequently, so I want the latest news. So the LLM, it would be difficult for LLM to keep up to it because this information changes every single day. So immediately as soon as my app launches, I'm asking this particular question, and with the help of Google search tool, it says that former president recently imposed a 50% tariff on most US imports from India. The decision has drawn criticism, yeah, whatever. Okay, so you can get the latest news about it. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first you need to go to Firebase console, then you need to create a Firebase project. So just click over here. Here you can give whatever project name you feel like. I'll just give it as my app, and then just click on continue. Make sure you enable Gemini in Firebase. Click on continue again. Then you can disable this Google Analytics. I don't want Google Analytics. I'll just click on create project. So let's just wait for this project to complete. Also, one more thing, while running this on your real device, make sure you have enabled Wi-Fi or mobile data, otherwise your app will crash because this requires proper internet connection as well. And in the meantime, what you can do is you can just go to android manifest.xml and you can add this internet permission. Also, I'm using XML layout, but if you want to use Jetpack Compose, you can use Jetpack Compose as well. The UI is nothing really. So if you see my res layout activity underscore main, if you are using Jetpack Compose, you'll have to do this in Jetpack Compose. All I have done is I have taken a text view, nothing else. Okay, then let's come back to Firebase. Click on continue over here, and here we'll have to I'll just close this, and we have to register our Android app. So just click on this Android icon. Then here you will have to go to build.gradle.kts. You need to copy this particular namespace over here. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here, and then I'll just click on register app. Let's just wait for a few seconds, and then you need to download Google services.json file. Now you need to move this Google services.json file inside this app folder. So what you need to do is you need to go to this project drop down over here, and you need to open this app folder over here and just drag and drop the Google services.json file over here. So here you can see I have this Google services.json file already dragged and dropped, so you can copy paste it as well. Then again you need to go to this Android folder, Android drop down, sorry, then just click on next. You need to copy this particular thing, id com.google gms google services, go to this build.gradle.kts and paste it over here. Then you need to again scroll down, copy this particular id com.google gms google services, come over here and paste it over here as you can see. Then you need to copy this particular dependency, so just copy this, scroll down and paste it over here as well. And once you have pasted it, you also need to add this one more dependency related to Firebase AI logic, so make sure you add this dependency as well. And then just click on the sync now button, and it will automatically download all the Android dependencies for you. Then just click on next, then click on continue to console, then click on AI, click on AI logic. Let's just wait for a few seconds. In the okay, so it has started. So I'll just click on get started, and here you have to use this Gemini developer API. Click on get started with this API, click on enable. So this again takes a bit of time, so let's just wait for a few seconds. And then you can just click on continue. Okay, so this is done. Then come back to our code. Next you can go to main activity. So these are all the imports which we have, so feel free to pause the video and just copy all these imports. Then here I have just taken one variable for text view. Here we are initializing our Firebase AI logic model. So at the time of me recording this video, the latest version is Gemini 2.5 Flash. So if there is some higher version, make sure you update this particular string variable. And here you can see we are passing this tool.google search, so that whatever we are asking latest information, it can easily fetch that particular information from Google. Then inside on create, we just initialize our text view. Now this particular code related to this Firebase AI logic needs to be called inside a coroutine. That's why I'm using this lifecycle scope, and inside that I'm using this IO coroutine. And here we just do model.generate content, and here we just pass what is the latest on Trump's tariffs on India, and whatever response we get, we switch to the main thread and we do response.text and display it inside our text view. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.